Excuse me, is the three-wheeler free? Samavenna three-wheeler ke yanna puluwanda? Yes, where do you want to go? Oh, oya koheda yanna one? I want to go to the Ford station. Mata kotuwa station ekata yanna one. Okay, please get in. Hari karuna karala naginna. Left and right, go straight ahead. Vama chaida kuna chai killing mayana. We are traveling in a three-wheeler. Up a three-wheeler ka kayanava. Is there a meter in this? Make meter ayak tiyanavada. Yes, the meter is working. Oh, meter aya beda karanava. Please go a bit slow. Karuna karala poddak hemin yanna. Don't worry, I will drive safely. Baya wenna epa, mama parisamata padawanna. Turn left at the next junction. Hilanga handiyen vamata harawanna. Now go straight for a while, then tikak dura killing mayanna. Turn right near the big tree. Loku gahagawin dakunata harawanna. Stop right here, please. Metana manawanna. Karuna karala. How much is the fare? Gasto akiyada. It is 500 rupees. Rupiyal pansiyak penava. Here is the money. Thank you. Minna salli stuti. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Sadarayan piliganava. Oyata supa davasak.